How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I showed you the step-by-step on how to exchange the side stand of your CRF300L. Let's get started. One question you might be asking yourself is, why would you want to change it in any case? Well, if you have a CRF300L, you know that the rear shock is very soft. Now, this motorcycle actually should be a pretty tall motorcycle, but what happens is that because the rear shock is so soft, when you sit on it, it sags so much. In other words, the rear shock is so soft that the motorcycle just lowers itself, but then it doesn't feel so tall. In my case, I have upgraded the rear shock, so now I have a proper shock where I'm able to set the correct sag for my weight and the way I ride. But if I wouldn't lower the motorcycle, then I would have it too high for me, so it would be uncomfortable. I wouldn't feel that comfortable to ride the motorcycle. So what I have done, I have upgraded my rear shock, but at the same time I chose a rear shock that allows me to lower the rear of the motorcycle by 30 millimeters. By doing that, my side stand, which right now is still original, is simply too tall. So I can even show it to you. If I just put the motorcycle straight, now the motorcycle is on the side stand. If I turn the handlebar to the right, you see that he wants to fall. And that is because the side stand is simply too tall. It's still the original. So what I have done, I have just bought a shorter side stand. You can also cut the original one. In this case, I have decided to keep the original one for later use and buy a shorter one, and that's what I'm going to show to you. $8mm socket. So this is the sensor, just get it out of the way. Now here on the opposite side, you're going to need a 17mm socket. Now, raise the side stand, and you're going to need a 14mm socket for this part. Now I'm putting a little bit of grease. Nut on the opposite side. The torque for the nut here in the back is 30 Nm. Here's what you have to pay attention. There is a little hole in the side stand, and this little hole, there's a pin in the sensor, and this pin has to fit inside this hole. Now the torque of this screw is only 10 Nm, so it's quite low. Also 10 Nm. And that's it. This is the step-by-step on how to replace the side stand on your CRF300L. If this video was useful to you, if you enjoy it, really appreciate it if you can leave your like, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.